All right, so today we're going to be doing a updated driver's side PCV valve cover and the oil catch can. I call this an updated PCV valve cover because it is. The actual PCV area has been updated to this channel versus I think the original has like 4 little holes. But we'll pull the whole one off and compare them to see the difference. And the catch can is to catch oil and debris that goes through the PCV system. When the system gets clogged, it can create back pressure and push out your rear main seal. Sorry for all the loud vehicle noises in the background, but I am on the street, so you're gonna hear it. So anyways, this catch can catches the debris and the oil that passes through the PCV system, through the valve cover, driver's side valve cover, and the intake manifold. So remove that cover. So your intake tube right here sits on top to the back valve cover. The catch can goes in between that to catch oil and debris that travels from the crankcase into the intake. Put debris inside the valve, train, and all that kind of stuff. So first of all, like I said, you want to remove your engine cover. Then you want to remove your coil pack assembly. That's a couple 10mm bolts, right? The long ones with the thread sticking out. Remove those, remove your coil pack assembly, and then remove your valve cover. Once you remove the coil pack assembly, your valve cover will have 4 8mm bolts. That's it. Just like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got new grommets and new bolts. Be sure to torque those to spec. Should be 89 inch-pounds, if I'm not mistaken. We are doing it on a 2008 Cadillac ESV, but this will apply to all Escalade models from, I believe, what, 2003, 2002 and up, maybe 2000 and up, all the way till 13, 14. Probably a little bit newer than that. But if you got this same looking setup with this intake tube on top, PCV valve back there on your 5360 or 62, then it pertains to that. I believe the 4.82 as well. We got our catch can from Evil Energy. It was like $38. I'll post a link in the comments if I remember to. But yeah, we're about to get started. So here's the old valve cover. Obviously, here's a new one. This is the PCV port there, and that's the PCV port there. So, big difference. So, yeah. Bam. Valve cover's off. Alright, put the new valve cover on, and then begin the install of the catch can. Okay, so your torque specs are not 89 inch-pounds, they are 106 inch-pounds. No particular order. So be sure to do that. Okay, everything is mounted. There's my catch can. Went ahead and mounted it right there next to the hood support bracket. Tilted it at a little angle downward. That way the hood support can still close. Your inlet goes to your valve cover, and the outlet goes to the intake hose. So I got my plastic hose ran up under here through the back side of this harness, out through here into there. So that looks nice. And that's all there is to it. Double check your work, make sure everything's nice and tight. Keep an eye on this catch can. It has a dipstick in it. So you're gonna want to check the fluid level. The instructions stay to check it every week until you get an idea of how long it takes to actually fill. And you just unscrew it from the bottom like an oil filter and just dump it out. No need to replace anything. It's just a dump system. So that's all there is to it. Gonna put my cover on, and that's gonna be a wrap. All right, I got the engine cover on. Tubes do not interfere with it. Catch can's mounted. Everything's good to go.